Here to the wedding reception of Merrick and Diana, and I know that everyone is excited for this lovely afternoon. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, before I start this very special program, can I request everyone ng isang malakas na sigawan na may kasamang palakpakan! Alright! So let's energy, guys. So good evening to each and every one of you. So by the way, my name is Jam, your host, and once again, it is my honor and pleasure to host this special day of Diana and Merrick. Of course, this is the celebration, love, union, and marriage. Kaya naman, ladies and gents, as we open this special program for our couple, of course, we have to acknowledge the following people who played an important role to their marriage life. Sino-sino po yan? Those people are very close to our couple. Kaya naman, Ninong at Ninang, kapag tinawag ko nga po kayo, just stand up and of course, give a big, beautiful wave to our crowd. And of course, to our beloved guests, can I request you guys na bibigyan po natin sila ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gents, let's give it up for our Ninang Cora and Ninong Romy Nabong. Come on, wow. Wave. Come on. What? Come on, don't think it down. Oh, ayan. So that's what we are talking to our Ninong and Nina. Thank you so much, Ninong and Nina, for your beautiful wave to the crowd. Maraming salamat po. Kaya naman, bigyan nga po natin next ng isang malakas na palakpakan, our Nina, Lilia Beth Bernardo. Come on! Wow, yun, diba? Thank you so much. Ayan, sinamahan naman Indakan. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Isabella and Ina with Akisa. Yeah! Come on! Ayun! Wait! Alright, palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you so much. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Ninang Irene Lee Dela Rosario and Ninong Bob Del Rosario! Come on! Palakpakan natin sila. Ayun! Thank you so much. Maraming salamat nga po. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Ninong Armando de Guzman and Ninang Mitch de Guzman. Ayun! Come on, wait. Ayun, ang ganda po ng ngiti ng ating pong Ninong at Ninang. And of course, eto na. Let's give it up for our Ninang Minerva and Ninong Patrick Assisting.
Sige,
Ayun, palakpakan naman natin. Grabe, napakaba ng Ninang. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Ninang Margaret Aquino. Alright, thank you so much, Nina, for grooming. And of course, let's give it up for our Ninang Ella Ruth Bautista, Ninong Rania Moreno, and Ninang Vivian Angelina.
A little bit of money,
Alright, ayun, palakpakan niya naman. Sabihin ko Nina, maraming salamat po. And of course, let's give it up for our Ninang Patricia Luna Porto. Yan ang sinasabi natin sa ating mga Ninong at Nina. Kaya naman, bigyan nga natin ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Ninong Jerry Luna with Ninang Rose Marie Luna. Alright, diba? Thank you so much for grooming. And of course, last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our Ninang Carolina Brown. Ayun. Thank you so much, Carolina. Maraming salamat nga po sa ating mga ninang, of course, for joining this very special day of our couple, Diana and Mary. Kaya naman, eto na. Makikilala na nga po natin kung kanino nga po nagmana ng kagandahan at kagwapuhan ang ating couple. Kaya naman, kapag tinawag ko nga po ang mga taong ito, tatayo nga po kayo. And of course, guys, we want them to see dancing and grooming, of course, our lovely parents for tonight. Kaya naman, bigyan nga po natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan, the parents of the groom, Daddy Chadoro and Mommy Gloria Nabong! Palakpakan natin! O, saya! Alright, ayun. And of course, the parents of the bride, can you just stand up and let's see your wave. And grooming, Daddy Franklin and Mommy Carmen, si Riva!
Sasayaw!
Palakpakan nyo naman! Diba? Grabe! Grabe nga po ang indahan ng At kanina nga lang kausap natin sila sa likod. Ang sabi nila, hindi nga daw po sila papayag nang hindi sila sasayaw. Wow. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, this is my question to you guys. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, let's on our camera and let's record this. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Team Bride. Pasok, Team Bride.
My recital. I think it's very vital.
Around,
That's right.
on top.
Ang gawin Team Bride.
Rock around, that's right. On time is chicken.
Alright, thank you so much. At kayo naman, Team Bride, your position, please. Come on, girls. Your position. We want to see your dance performance for Diana and Mayrick wedding celebration. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Team Bride DJ.
Just what it, baby, it's all you were.
Wala pong isang malakas na palakpakan.
Sleepless in the onyx night. Now the sky is open.
Alright, thank you so much. That is our beautiful Team Bride. Grabe. Ang gagaling na sir. The certified TikTokers, the Team Bride. Kaya naman ito na, magpamatalo pa naman sila. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the Team Groom. Pasok, Team Groom. Oh, Team Groom, your energy. Kaya nga, ano kaya ang performance na ibibigay ng ating Team Groom? That is our Team Groom. F1 DJ, hit the music, please.
Oh, thank you for that.
Sayaw niya.
Please. Ice cream, honey.
Wala ba siya sa palakpakan?
Ice cream, honey. Ice cream, good.
Mas mababa, lower!
Super yucky. Super easy.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating ngakong Team Bride. Team Groom, grabe. Nagulat po yung ating Team Bride. At Team Groom, thank you so much. Kaya grabe po ang ating mga abay. Kanina lang po talaga sila nag-practice. Ayan. So grabe. Kaya naman, eto na. Ladies and gentlemen, we're down to the highlights of this event. So now, ladies and gentlemen, before I call the call, white. Everyone, can you please grab your white handkerchief in your table? Meron po tayong mga white table napkin. Everyone, can you please grab that because we're going to wave and raise that as we call the couple. Come on. Let us all wave. Wave. I want to see that. Come on. And of course, we would like to request the guests to have your energy up. Come on, wave for Diana and Mayrick. So guys, are you excited? So ladies and gentlemen, we are very glad and very honored to present to you for the first time the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Diana Nabong. Come on everyone, that is our couple. Diana and Mayrick. Come on, everyone! Wave! And it's continue to wave and wave! Come on! Alright, guys, let's focus wave! So once again, congratulations to the newlywed couple at isang malakas na sigawan! Alright, so that is our couple together with the Team Bride and Team Groom holding their sparkles, welcoming the newlyweds. Thank you so much. So now, kung lahat nga po ay mananatiling nakatayo, ladies and gentlemen, because in every wedding and every celebration, guys, we always put God first. Ang Panginoon po muna natin bago ang lahat. So now, I would like to invite Miss Geraldine for the opening prayer. Alright, so once again, we would like to request Miss Geraldine for the opening prayer. Ang kanyang mahal na ama.
my whole life.
Oh, Diana, say and I love you to your lovely father.
Girl. This dance is more than just
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, bigyan po natin isang malakas na palakpakan. That is our father and bride dance. This is the most awaited moment in our wedding celebration. The celebration of love, the celebration of union, the celebration of marriage. So now, ladies and gentlemen, let me once again present to you the newlywed couple, ladies and gentlemen, on their very first dance as husband and wife, Mr. Merrick and Mrs. Diana Nabong.
Nais ko sana'y iwala sa hilaan sa iyong kaluluwa. Kahit saan mama ang aking isisigaw. Aking
So now, ladies and gentlemen, I know that everyone is waiting and requesting for this. And traditional cake slicing started since the Roman times as a symbol of good luck and fertility. The sharing of this food symbolizes the couple's willingness to fulfill each other's need, creating bonds so simple yet so strong. And the more they eat, the more they get lax. So do not forget Diana and Mary to slice a big one because in our wedding celebration, kapag malaki daw po ang binigay nila sa bawat isa, ganun din daw kalaki ang kanilang magiging pamilya. Wow! So, gaano kaya kalaki ang ibibigay ni Mary kay Diana? So, couple, the bigger the slice, the bigger the family. Alright, so dito po tayo sa gitna ang ating bagong kasal. Family! Thank you so much for answering. So now, Mary, pakibigyan mo na si Diana. Yun, no? Kailangan malaki daw. Ayan, sige, come on. Para sa malaking pamilya. And there you have it. And of course, now your turn. Diana, pakibigyan mo na si Mary.
how sweet it is to be loved.
Wow, tamang-tama. Meron silang icing sa kanilang mga labis. That's called for kiss. Couple your kiss as husband and wife. Come on. Palakpakan naman natin. Isa pa. One more. Palakpakan naman natin. And after our traditional cake slicing,